Now we're going to talk about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are powerful data structures that allow us to store and retrieve data using key-value pairs. Now before we dive into coding, let's understand what dictionaries are and why they're important. Dictionaries are unordered collections of data that store values in key-value pairs. Each value is associated with a unique key, allowing us to efficiently retrieve and manipulate data in Python. Dictionaries are widely used for tasks such as storing user information, mapping values, and organizing data. Let's start by learning how to create dictionaries in Python. In this code snippet, we create a dictionary called student using curly braces. The dictionary contains key-value pairs, where each key is a string, and each value can be of any data type. In our example, student stores information about a student. Now that we have created our dictionary, let's learn how to access its elements. In this code snippet, we access the elements of the student dictionary. We can use square brackets and provide the key to retrieve the corresponding value. Alternatively, we can use the get method, which returns the value associated with the given key. In our example, we print the name and age of the student. Dictionaries are mutable, which means that we can modify their elements. In this code snippet, we modify the elements of the student dictionary. We assign a new value to the age key, update the major key, and add a new key value pair for the university. Dictionaries offer a flexible way to update and expand our data. Dictionaries provide several useful operations for manipulating and working with data. In this code snippet, we perform common dictionary operations. The len function returns the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. The keys method returns a list of all the keys in the dictionary. The values method returns a list of all values. The items method returns a list of key value pairs as tuples. These operations allow us to explore and extract information from dictionaries efficiently. And that concludes our tutorial on dictionaries in Python. We covered dictionary creation, accessing elements, manipulating data, and performing common operations. With this knowledge, you can effectively work in dictionaries and store key value pairs in Python.